Ever found yourself yawning unexpectedly? It's not just about being tired. Yawning is a fascinating phenomenon that intrigues scientists. Many believe it's simply a sign of sleepiness, but there's more to it than that. Some researchers suggest yawning cools an overheating brain. Others believe it boosts alertness and blood flow. Yawning can be contagious too. It's a social signal, often linked to empathy. So the next time you yawn, remember its complexity. It's not just about sleep, it's about your brain's needs. Yawning might even signal boredom or stress. It's your body's way of communicating. So what triggers your yawning? Is it boredom, fatigue, or something deeper? Understanding yawning helps us learn about ourselves. So, embrace your yawns, they're part of being human. Subscribe for more fascinating facts about your body. Stay curious and